Can AI actually help startup founders to improve their presentation skills? Today, we are testing SlideCoach with a startup founder, Yacoub.
Hello, SlideCoach. I am Yacoub, founder of Patent News, built and designed for patent lawyers. I had my master's degrees back in Algeria, and then I came here to Germany and we started our founding journey for Patent News. Since I'm coming with a technical background, I faced a lot of challenges at the beginning of our journey, and all of them were related to communication. If you have an idea, no matter how great it is, or your product, no matter how good it is and solves a lot of problems, it still has no value if you cannot explain it to your clients or investors and even your co-founders sometimes.
I would like to ask you for the first question, how was your first impression?
My first impression is that's exactly what we needed before, and I really missed like 4 months or 5 months here in incubator program without using SlideCoach, and we did a lot of pitching and we did a lot of mistakes and we didn't learn from them most of the times, especially in pitching and communication and even the content of the slides. So and now I see that what we were missing is already here already and we didn't use it.
How do you usually get feedback before a presentation?
We pitch to friends, we pitch to other co-founders. We just try to give each other the feedbacks, but we are not professionals at the end. Yeah, so that's it. That's how we learned here at least.
Which statistic on this dashboard you find the most useful?
There are a lot of really useful statistics. For me, I would find the Q&A phase where we simulated here, in our example, we simulated an investor. And investors, they don't go easy on you. They expect a real answer, a deep understanding of the technical and the business side. In my case here, they asked me like really sensitive question about security. And for us, we know everything. As I said, I'm coming from a technical background. I can explain some from myself, but sometimes I cannot explain it for an investor. So that's a problem. And here, maybe with the feedbacks, I have to improve it every time until I get to the stage where I can explain the technical to another person who's not a tech person. So I see that it has a lot of value already there, that everyone can use, from a student to a founder. And even if you have a company already and you want to expand it, scale it, this is good. This is really good to train with yourself for communication and for presentation. Thank you, SlideCoach. Thank you.